Hey guys, Josh from Oxman Garage, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the Husky 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. Alright guys, I'm going to be unboxing this. I'm not going to take a video of me unboxing it, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and then I will show you the cardboard and what they use to cocoon this and keep it safe during shipping. Alright guys, so I got all the cardboard and styrofoam off. They put these cardboard corners on the bench to protect the corners, the nylon straps to keep everything together. They have styrofoam completely cocooning the workbench to keep it protected on all sides, which is really nice. Alright guys, when you unbox it, the first thing you're going to see are your instructions. You got a nice plastic covering. You open your first drawer right here. Get your keys right here. An illustration on the first top drawer. And you have all your liners on your top drawer as well. These drawers have that nice, soft close, kind of like new cabinetry that's in a kitchen. This is a plug for the power strip and USB on the side. Bottom. Okay, here's the handle for the hardware for store display only. Okay, I think this is all your casters right here. Okay, so I don't even have to worry about this. This is for indoor display only. Here's the handle. And in this box, I've already pre-opened it. These are your casters. Got the hardware. It looks like you get a Allen wrench too. This is the locking casters. Okay, so some assembly is required. You're going to need to put the casters on, the handle, and this looks like the cord wrap rails right there. Alright guys, I'm going to go over a few more things about the Husky mobile workbench. So your dimensions are 46 inches in width. Your height assembled with the casters is 37 inches. And your depth is 24.5 inches. They use a 21 gauge steel, which is very well constructed, very sturdy. Your weight capacity and tools that you can put in this is 1,200 pounds. Your holding capacity or storage space is 19,650 cubic inches. Your weight capacity for all these drawers are 100 pounds. This is a black powder coated finish. All of them come with a powder coat. They come in different colors. You got black, all black, red, white, blue, and gray. Alright, so as it sits with everything installed, it weighs about 238 pounds. This comes with a 3-year limited warranty, backed by Home Depot. It is December 2020, and this right now it retails at $348. I got the 10% military discount, so I knocked off 10% of my price. After taxes for me was like $330 out the door. Another nice thing I like about this is it's got the power strip on the side, and if you got like a cell phone or whatnot, you can plug in your cell phone too. So there's the power strip. Your casters are 5x2. These are 5x2 casters, and obviously these come with the liners. The liners are a nice rubber feel to them. Look like they'll last. Here's another video of the drawers, just opening and closing them. Your bottom drawer's got the double slide. Nice soft close. So here's a look at the depth of all the drawers. So there's just the top drawer, and when we measure it, it's about almost 22 inches in depth inside the drawer, which is really nice. Hey guys, this is the bottom side of the bench. As you can see, it's well constructed. It's got a nice bracing on the bottom for the casters. Just going to show you the bottom there. Alright guys, this has been my unboxing and review of the Husky 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. If you like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe. Again, this is Josh with Oxman Garage.